Hello and welcome to Microsoft Hates Greg. My name is Greg Deckler, and today I need my viewers to help me understand something. Um, because so I'm taking a look at fabric pricing right now, and now it's all sort of official, it's all GA, right? And I'm trying to understand, like, why would you buy an F64 SKU, for example, versus a P1 SKU? I mean, now we just look at these, right? I mean, there's not much difference in price, like $7.67, right? You're still paying more for an F64 SKU than you would be for a P1 SKU. And premium SKUs, right? They come with all the fabric capabilities, just like if you buy an F SKU. Your premium SKUs, it's all still you get all the fabric functionality, right? But I mean, so looking at them, it's not much of a difference in price, as long as you do a reserved capacity, right? Otherwise, if you're pay as go, you're paying twice, almost twice what you're paying. But that's not the whole story, really. So here I've got the Azure pricing calculator, put up here, and I've got an F64, and it's pay as you go, and there's that 840960, right? Which is this guy over here. um, this guy right here, right? And then if I switch this to a 1 year reserved, now it's $5,202.67, which is this price right here, right? So, but that's not the whole story, right? Because in Fabric, right, the compute is billed separately from the storage, right? And versus in a P SKU, it's all included, right? It includes all of the computes and all the features. Plus, it includes up to 100 terabytes of storage, is my understanding of any premium capacity comes with 100 terabytes of storage, as far as your use rights are concerned. So if you actually factor that in, right, because there's the storage piece, one lake storage, right? So, what are we talking like here? A gigabyte and 1 terabyte's 1,000 gigabytes, right? So let's see, 100. There's 1 terabyte. So we had two more zeros, and we get 100 terabytes. that's that's like an extra $2,600. So to get the same use rights, with a reserve capacity of 1 year reserves plus the 100 terabytes of storage that you get with a premium P1 SKU, it's going to cost you $7,602.67, which, I mean, I'm not the best at math, but I think that's more than 4,995, right? Right. So who would buy this? Right? I don't understand. Who in their right mind is going to buy $7,602.67, pay that for the same use rights as something you could get for $4,995? That doesn't make any sense to me. So hopefully somebody viewer out there can educate me and explain this. So I mean, I don't know. That's all I had for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.